Are you wondering what the new project panel in Photoshop 2025 does? So here's how to use it to organize and manage your creative workflow better. So there are many available panels in Photoshop. Panels are available in both Photoshop Elements and Elements Organizer, but they each behave a little differently in each panels, and they help you manage monitors and modify images. So basically we have the panel menus, pop-up sliders with panels, and such things. So here's how you can work with panels or panels in the export mode. So first, you want to show or hide the panel bin by choosing the window and panel bin. Then in the panel bin or the custom workspace, you can remove a panel from the panel bin, add a panel from the panel bin, rearrange the panels in the bin, and expand or collapse the panels in the panel bin by simply double-clicking the name of the panels. Then you want to use the panels outside the panel bin. In custom workflows and the workspace view, do any of the following. Open the panel and choose the name of the panel from the window menu by clicking the arrow next to the More button in the taskbar and select a panel, and simply close the panel, choose the name of the panel from the Windows menu, and close the button in the title bar of the panel. Then you want to change the size of the panel as well. You can even group them, move the panel group, expand or collapse, dock the panels, or reset the panels. And you can also use the photo bin that is in the panel bins. And that's how you can basically use photo bin and also the project panel in Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications